on my bow to tap on the link on my bow. Yes, tap on the link on my bow to get access to my Telegram group. So please share this live stream. Let's help this live stream to go viral so that we can attract more traders in the community, right? Cute boy, you are well welcome. You are welcome. So we are going to talk about the market. Cute boy, you are welcome. You are all welcome, right? So we are going to talk about the market today. You guys, you are welcome. So as usual, we're going to talk about the market. So if you are a trader right here in the live stream, you are welcome. If you are a beginner trader, you are welcome. Please let me know comment your country, your state, right? Thank you guys. So for more trading content on how to trade the financial market, just like this profile, follow this profile, and follow the instruction on the whiteboard which state learn to trade. Click on the link on my bio, select on the trading setup Telegram so that you can join the Telegram group. So this is where I give no free trading or tutorials, right? And then we are as well on YouTube. So if you want to join us on YouTube, we are currently on YouTube. So I'm going to share a copy of this live stream to YouTube, right? So for those of you who want to watch us on YouTube, you can get access to us currently right now on YouTube. We are currently on YouTube. We are currently on YouTube. So check the Telegram page to get access to the YouTube channel, and make sure you subscribe. So you guys can ask questions in relation to forex trading, crypto stocks, commodities index. You can ask questions. If there's any asset you want us to discuss, you can let me know in the comment section so that we can both go through them together, right? So ask your questions. Ask your questions in relation to trading. Ask questions in relation to trading. So I'm gonna go through some updates of some of the assets we have on our watch list. These are the list of assets we analyzed. That was during noon today. That was 12 p.m. You know, we do go live every day on YouTube from Monday to Friday. So today we are live once again. So ask your question. Ask your questions. So if you are a trader or you are a beginner trader, if you're an experienced trader, you can let's talk about the market. Do you have any assets you are currently watching, or do you have any question? Do you have any difficulty in trading? Let us know so that we can both go together, right? So that we can treat them together. I mean, right? Let's go. Waiting for you guys. Comment any asset you want us to analyze, and then we go through in this live stream. We both treat them together in this live stream, right? Comment. Let's go. Comment. Let's go. Right? If there's any asset you want us to analyze, comment in the comment. Leave your comment. Put it down as a comment. Any asset you want us to analyze, just put it down as a comment. We will go through together, right? We will both go through together. So let me share an update on the positions I have right here. You know, I share with you guys what I have on the US oil. So currently I already have a short position on US oil. No, I showed you guys how I'm going to approach this asset. So I don't know if you guys still remember this analysis I gave. I say we have a head and shoulder. You can call this a symmetrical chart pattern. So currently right now, price is actually playing out as being forecasted. You know, we have a breakout, a retest. So this is what we have on the US oil market, and we are currently in a position. I'm currently in a position, right, on the US oil. Currently in a position, and let's check other assets we have. Let's check other assets. This is US market. This is oil market. Oil market. Oil market. So if you can see a strong bearish break more, then we will be looking out for how to scale up this entry right here. We'll be looking out for how to scale up entry right here. So let me know in the comment section if you guys are new to trading. If you are a new trader in the financial market, if you are a new trader in the forex market, if you have an experience in trading, please let me know in the comment section, right? Let me know, right? If there's any topic you guys want us to discuss as well, you can ask your questions. If there's any questions you guys want us to discuss, you can ask a question. So if you are watching from YouTube, you can ask questions as well. Ask questions, right? Ask questions. So ask question before we proceed. Ask questions. If you are watching from YouTube, you can ask questions. Ask questions, any market you want us to analyze. And then make sure you follow this profile, subscribe to the channel, follow this profile. Suggest any asset you want us to analyze in the financial market. Any asset, maybe it's in the forex, stocks, commodities, index, or cryptocurrency market. Make a suggestion. You can make your suggestion, right? And if there's any topic you want us to discuss in trading, you can as well suggest in the comment box, right? So let's go through gold. Let's check the gold market. Let's check gold. And after gold, we proceed to silver. After gold, we proceed to silver. This is what we have on gold. As I stated on gold, no, I am still monitoring the key level structure low. We are still monitoring the key level structure right there, which is at the price of 1,966. I'm still monitoring that level. And as well, let's check silver. Silver, we are still monitoring. So price is yet to be confirmed. So let's see what price is gonna lead to. Maybe this level is still gonna hold as support for a double bottom, or maybe price is gonna break down. Let's keep on monitoring what the market has to form. That is what we have on silver, right? So which other asset do we want to check again? Let's check New Zealand paired against the USD. Let's get these drawings off. New Zealand paired against the USD. Let's just get this off. Let's get all this drawing off our chart so that we can talk more about the market right here, right? Okay, yeah, based on the 4-hour chart on the New Zealand paired against the USD, we still have the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. The inverted head and shoulder chart pattern right here is still at the low swings of the New Zealand paired against the USD. So we are still monitoring to see how price is going to react. Let's check USD Canada. USD Canada, you know, price is still at a resistance structure, and I told you guys it's better to look out for retracement down. Someone said check Euro USD on 5-minute time frame. So sorry about that. I don't have time 5-minute time frame on my chart. I don't trade 5 minutes, so sorry, I can't analyze 5-minute chart. I analyze right from the week, from the month, weekly, day, 4-hour, and 1-hour chart. So sorry about that. I don't trade 5-minute chart. So USD yen, we have price in an uptrend and at a resistance structure. This is what we have on the USD yen. We have a resistance structure. We have that. This is good. This is what we have, right? So price is correctly at a resistance structure. And the USD switch, this is what we have on USD switch. USD yuan uptrend, Singaporean dollar uptrend, USD South African rand. Okay, we have price breaking out of a rising channel. You can see that price is currently breaking out of a rising channel, I already shared this in the live stream yesterday. I said there's a trade opportunity right here. Okay, so price keeps on breaking low. So let's see how far this can go, right? So this is what we have on USD Singaporean dollar. So this is for the South African trader. So if you're from South Africa, the USD Singaporean dollar could be a nice asset for you to trade. GBP paired against the Japanese yen, the head and shoulder, we are still monitoring that. Euro yen uptrend. Australian dollar paired against the JPY, the symmetrical chart pattern is breaking out. We are having a breakout right here. The breakout is still active, so we seems we are going to have a daily close of price above this symmetrical chart pattern. So technically this suggests more uptrend to come on in this market. And New Zealand yen, a rangy market. Canada yen, kind of a rangy choppy market. Switch yen uptrend. XRP 500, we are having a pullback. So let's see how far this pullback can go. German 30, we are having a pullback. Let's see how far this pullback can go. UK 100, this is a choppy market. Aussie 200, we are having a pullback. So let's see how far this market can go right there. So let's go to the GBP Canada. I'm currently monitoring this asset right here based on the key level structure of the double top we had through a strong bearish breakout. Price didn't give us a retest. So let's see if price can give us a retest right here. So I am monitoring the GBP Canada, right? I'm monitoring to see how price is going to react. Still monitoring this level right here. I'm still monitoring the GBP Canada, but this kind of a choppy market on the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. So I'm still gonna wait for what price has to offer on the day chart. So someone said the breakout is going to make it. So I stated earlier that if you want to refer to any information or any analysis, always make mention of the asset you are referring to. So is it Yamika? I don't know the asset you are referring to. It would be better if you can put the asset you are referring to. I don't know the asset you are referring to. I don't know the asset you mean that it will sell. So GBP switch. No, I like this setup right here. We have a test of a key level structures. You can see that. So this will be a trade based on the day chart. You can see that we are a downtrend, and then we have a key level support. You can see this support. Whenever price get to this support structure, we have a bounce to the upside, a bounce to the upside, a bounce to the upside, bounce to the upside, bounce to the upside, bounce to the upside. Price broke out. Now price is retesting. So these are the kind of price actions I like in the market. So these are nice. These are type of examples of price action I look out for in the market. And then the Fibonacci retracement level aligns to the 0.618. So these are types of trade entries I look out for in the market. So if I'm gonna make this trade right here, just have my entry, have my stop loss above, and then target the low structure right there. So that will be almost 5 to 6 risk to reward ratio. So this is how I'm going to approach this trade right there. So if you're in this live stream, this could be a good trade opportunity for you, right? If you're in this live stream. So this is what I have on GBP switch. This is what I have on GBP switch. So let's check the 4 hour chart to see what price has to offer. Okay, let's check on the 1 hour to see if we can connect a trend line right from this higher low swing all the way down. We have our trend line and we connect it all the way up. So what we are looking for right now is we need to study how price will break this trend line. So if you can see a break of trend line right here with a massive volume, a validation, then to be nice to go short right here. So this is what I'm looking out for on GBP paired against the switch. So this is my view on GBP paired against the switch. So let's see how this trade can go. So this is my view on GBP paired against the switch. Let's see what price we offer us right here, right? So I can see a nice set up on GBP paired against the switch based on the support and resistance trading strategy, right? So let's check other assets. We have the GBP AUD. This kind of a choppy market right here, it can now somehow confusing, it's come out confusing, just going up and down, up and down, up and down, no specific direction. So you have to be very careful in this type of market right here. Okay, so let's check GBP New Zealand as well. Price is still bouncing up and down. Price is still bouncing. We still have a pullback, right? And then we have a key level structures at the price of the 2.08681, right? So let's check Euro GBP. Now I told you guys to stay away from this asset. For those of you who want to trade Euro GBP, if you are trying to trade this asset, you are just putting yourself, you are exposing yourself to a lot of risk, because this asset tend to range against one another. So if you are trying to trade this type of asset right here, you are just putting yourself into a lot of risk. So the best thing to do is just stay away from this asset. So this is why I don't usually analyze this asset, right? Let's check Euro Canada. Euro Canada, I sent out this setup on the Telegram group, and I stated we need to wait to see how price is going to react to this key level structure. So I stated don't just jump in. You can see after price broke out at this medium, price is still closing back. So this is why I always advise, don't take the first breakout. Don't take the first breakout. The first breakout could be a trap. So right here now we are having, it seems we are going to have a bullish trap. And a lot of traders could have been slaughtered. A lot of traders would have been slaughtered right here today, right? So Euro switch as well. Let's see what we have on Euro switch. This is what we have on Euro switch, a downtrend, and then price is currently testing the trend line structure right here. So let's see if we can build confluence factors right from the swing high right here. We connect it down. It seems we're gonna have price at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So is there any other factors we can combine right here? Let's check the 4-hour chart. Let's check the 1-hour chart right here. Let's see what we have. This high, we connect it all the way down. We have the trend line all the way up right here. So this is Euro switch. So I think instead of taking the Euro switch, I will just divert my attention to GBP switch. So instead of taking this right here, I will like to divert my attention to GBP switch. Even though we are in a downtrend, yes, the fact is undisputable. We are in a downtrend. This is a downtrend right from the high right here. We have price moving a downtrend. So the downtrend is still active. So, but I prefer the GBP paired against the switch. So someone said, hello, hi Richie, good evening. So I still prefer GBP switch to Euro switch. I prefer GBP switch to Euro switch. Based on the technicalities I can see, I prefer GBP switch to Euro switch. So make sure you follow this profile, follow my profile, follow this profile for more trading educational content, right? So I prefer GBP switch. Euro switch is still down, but I just want to find more confluence factors before I can make my decisions on Euro switch. We are in a downtrend. When the price made the retest of this trend line right here, it aligns to a key level structure, which we had right here. So this is we have right here the support right here as factor number 1, and the test of trend line. This is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have right here as factor number 2, and we have a series of rejections down. So let's see where the Fibonacci retracement tool aligns when this market went down. Okay, it aligns at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So we add like 3 factors right here. We have like 3 factors when the price went down. So I'm trying to see if I can build more confluence factor right here. So the only confluence factor I can build right here is the test of trend line right here and the 61.0.618 retracement level, which is only 2 factor. So these 2 factor right here, and the trend is down. Okay, the trend is down. Okay, we can call it three confluence factors. So we have three confluence factors right here. We have three confluence factors right here. So this is what we have on Euro switch. So this is how I build confluence factors in trading. So let's check the switch. Based on the switch, we have a nice key level structure which we can tag as factor number 1. We have a retest. Yes, we have a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement 2, factor number 2. And then we have price in a downtrend, which is factor number 3, downtrend. The downtrend is factor number 3. So this is what we have on the GBP switch, right? But I like this movement right here. I like this movement right here. Can we connect a trend line right from this high all the way for this level, connect it all the way down? Can we get that? Okay, can have this as a downtrend just to measure the flow of trend in the market, right? So I think I'm gonna have to go with GBP switch, and then let's analyze the risk to reward ratio. So if I'm gonna make an entry right here, I have my stop loss. I can see I have the room to make like 4 risk to reward ratio on GBP switch. And then if I want to take an entry based on the Euro switch, let's analyze the risk on Euro switch. Based on Euro switch, if I'm gonna be having my entry right from this structure right here, and then having my stop loss above this high, and then targeting downward, that's gonna be 5 risk to reward ratio. But the issue we have right here is this potential structure which we had right here. This structure could still act as a support for price. So this level right here could still act as a support for price. So this way I'm very careful. You can see it acted as a minor resistance right here before price broke out. So this level could act as a support for price, thereby rejecting price upward. So this is why I'm still not comfortable to short Euro switch. But on GBP switch, let's see if we have a potential key level structure. No, there is no any imminent or any close by support structure right there. So the market is just going freely downward. So there's no obstruction in this downtrend. So this is why I prefer GBP switch. So I prefer GBP switch, and I'm going to switch to the 4-hour chart to see how price is going to react to this rising trend line. So what I'm going to be looking out for right now is to see price closing below this trend line so that I can make my short entry at this zone all the way down. So that is my view on the GBP switch. That is how I'm going to approach GBP switch. Someone say GBP yen. GBP yen, there is nothing yet happening on GBP yen. GBP yen is still in a ranging medium. So for now, there's nothing on GBP yen. GBP yen is still static. There's nothing happening on GBP yen. So I gave analysis on this asset during the noon time when I went live. That was around 12 p.m. I stated there isn't any action yet on GBP yen. This breakout right here was as a result of the, I think, fundamental factors, right? So there isn't anything happening right here on GBP yen. So technically what we are waiting for on GBP yen is to see the validation of this head and shoulder chart pattern. You can see that. So what we are waiting for now is to see the validation of head and shoulder chart pattern. So this is what we are looking out for. We are just looking out for price to make a rotation and to break this level to give us a sell entry. So that is what we are looking out for on JPP paired against the JPY. So that is what we have right here. So based on Euro Canada as well, I have this on my list. You can see, I like this kind of nice structure right there. You can see the bounce off of price from the trend line. You can see the bounce off of price with the key level structure, bounce up of price. So seems we're gonna have clustering of price at this medium right there. So what I'm currently looking out for is I want to see how price is gonna react to this trend line. Maybe it's gonna break it down. So I'm currently monitoring these assets. So let's keep monitoring. You know, there's more money to be made when you have patience in trading. So trading is all about patience. So based on the 4-hour chart, let's see if you can see a breakdown and retest of a more downtrend. So this would be a monster head and shoulder formation. Monster head and shoulder formation, while this is the neckline structure right here. So let's see how price is going to react to this monster head and shoulder formation right there. But yet we still don't have a decisive volume. So let's gonna wait to see how this trend line is gonna act. Maybe it's gonna be as a support for price, or maybe price is gonna break to the downside. So that is my view on the euro paired against the Australian dollar. Okay, someone said EJ. Let's check EJ. Someone said GBP euro to cross to form a kind of thing. Let's check euro JPY. Euro JPY. Euro JPY is still an uptrend. I can't say anything realistic right there, just an uptrend. So right here, can't see anything realistic right here, just an uptrend market. The market is bullish, it's going up. So I'll only be interested to see how price can make a pullback to this level right here. How price gonna react? Maybe it's gonna be up or maybe it's gonna be down. So this is what I can see on the euro paired against the JPY. This is what I have on euro paired against the JPY. So euro paired against the New Zealand as well. We are currently having price struggling to break below a certain key level structure at the price of the 1.8084. You can see that this key level structure right there is acting as support for price. So let's see for how long this level can hold as a support for price. So if we can see a strong breakdown of price below this structure, we could head down for a more down flow on Euro New Zealand. So most of the Euro New Zealand currency pairs are majorly giving a bearish sentiment. Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollar, we have a breakout of a falling channel right from the high right here all the way down. We have price breaking up, so it seems gonna be a breakout right here. So let's see what we have right here. We have a breakout. The breakout entry was could have been nice right here to place a buy limit order above and stop loss right here and to ride this breakout up. So I saw this setup, but I didn't have the plan to trade it. So it's a nice breakout right here. So for those who want to take this breakout, I think you'll be looking out for a pullback tomorrow. Based on tomorrow, if you can see a pullback to the top right here, if you can see a pullback to the top of this structure right here, then you can be looking out for a long entry to continue the uptrend. So and then you connect your trend line from this low swing all the way down, you fire it up. So tomorrow, if you can see a pullback of price, based on the I structure we have right here. We have a I structure. Let's connect the structure right here. So based on the I structure we had right here, if price can make a pullback to this I structure in combination with the ascending trend line, then this would be a nice entry for continuing this uptrend on Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollar. So that's my view on this asset, right? If you want to trade it, that is the way you can the best way to flow along with that trend right there. That is, if you miss the 1 hour entry. This actually gave a 1 hour entry. The 1 hour entry was this doji right here. The stop loss could have been below the 1 hour bar right there, and then if you took this trade, you could have made like 2 risk reward ratio and then have your stop loss trailed to the low structure right here. So I saw this trade, but it wasn't in my plan, so that was why I neglected it, right? So let's check other question. Do we have other questions in the live stream? Okay, someone said Nasdaq 100. Let's check Nasdaq 100. Let's check Nasdaq. We have Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is closing up back into the key level structure, which was being broken right here. So let's check what happened on the 4-hour chart. There wasn't a technical signal to short on the 4-hour chart. So next, now as a trader, what you need to start looking out for is you need to start looking out for your Fibonacci retracement to right from the peak structure right here. Fire your Fibonacci retracement to all the way down. Now you need to start watching to see how price is going to react to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level or the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is what you need to start looking out for now. Alternatively, if this price should fail to hold price, then you should be looking out for a test of the trend line. You can see the test of the trend line at this medium right here. We have a test right here, so definitely we could have a test again for a more downtrend. So that is what we have on Nasdaq 100, right? That is what we have on Nasdaq 100. I told you guys, anytime you want to ask questions, always ask questions with the asset you are referring to. If you ask me question, if you don't put the asset you are referring to, then I have no idea of what you are talking about, right? If you want to ask questions, always ask your question together with the asset you are referring to, right? Good. So let's check S&P 500. S&P 500. I trade the S&P 500. Let's go to the S&P 500. S&P 5. Okay, sorry, I gotta put this up. S&P 500. Let's go to the S&P 500. This is what we have on S&P 500. We are currently price is currently making a pullback right from the. No, we have to put this mode. So price is currently closing above the key level structure at the 4,174. Let's check the day chart. This is what we have on the day chart. Price is still in a downtrend, so we are still seeing a flow of price in a downtrend. So let's apply our Fibonacci tool right from the peak all the way right here. We fire it down. So let's keep monitoring to see how price is going to react to the 0.5 and 0.618. So these are the levels of interest. Alternatively, if this level should fail to hold price, then we need to start watching out to see how price will react to the key level support at the price of the 4,336. This was a support right here, a support right here. I traded S&P 500. I think that was last 2 weeks. I made a choice. It was very nice entry. It was very nice trade for me. I love this type of trade right there. So let me show you guys how I got this trade on S&P 500. Should in case next time you have this type of setup. So first right here, after I saw price was in a downtrend, flow of downtrend, as usual I went to the higher time frame, and that was on the weekly chart. After I saw that this is a weekly chart, price broke down, price make the retest. That was the previous week. So the following week I started monitoring this asset. I saw a doji candlestick retesting the broken support. So I went on the day chart, and then on the day chart I saw okay, price made a retest. We have the support structure right here, support right here, broken support right here. The support was broken at this medium, and then we have a retest once again right here. So I zoom in and I discover we have a double top. We had a double top right here. So at this medium right here, this was a double top chart pattern. So I went to the 4-hour chart. So we have a double top retesting a broken key level structure. And likewise, we had a double top right here. This is a double top right here. This is the top one, and the right here is top 2. You can see that. So these are double tops right here. So for those of you guys who don't know, we have a series of a double top. Let me just apply it right there so that you guys can see. We have the first top right here, and then we have the second. In fact, there are a lot of tops right here in this market. There were a lot of tops right in this market. You can see we had another top right here. This was another top right here as well. We have a double top right there. So I love the factors in this market. So after I got the retest right here, I went to the 4-hour chart, and then on the 4-hour chart the double top was so obvious. You can see it right here on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart I made an entry right from when I saw that the tops right here, this was the first top, the second top. So I made an entry at the retest of this structure right here. I made an entry all the way down to the support structure, whereby I have my stop loss at this zone. So it was a 5 risk to the reward ratio trade. It was a 5 risk to the reward ratio trade. So it was a very great trade. So these are the type of trade I look out for in the market. I don't just trade anyhow. So I tend to look out for a market that has a lot of probability supporting my trading decision. So that is how I trade. You can see it's a nice setup. So again, let's keep monitoring to see how price is gonna react. Seems there's a disconnection in the live stream. Please let me know, guys, if you can see the screen. Right? Let me know if you can see the screen. Let me know if you guys can see the screen. Right? Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Let me know if you can see the screen. Right? Let me know if you can see the screen. Right? Please tap. Let me know if you can see my screen. Let me know if you are still connected. Let me know if you are still connected. Right? Let me know if you can see the screen. Yeah, the network was so bad, but I refreshed my network right now. I have refreshed my network. Please let me know if you can see it. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. So I made a short entry on US oil based on what I have on technicalities right there. So I made a short entry right here. So if you are a trader, if you are looking for trade opportunity, you might be looking out to make a short entry on US oil, whereby I have my stop loss at this high right there. So this is where I have my stop loss. So actually, let me show you guys what I'm targeting on US oil, so in case you're looking out for trade opportunity. So I made my short entry at this medium right here. Yes, and then I have my stop loss above this or high of this bearish bar. So I'm targeting all the way down based on major key level structure. So this is going to be a long-term trade. This is going to be 5.5 raised to the reward ratio trade. You can see I'm targeting the next key level structure in this downtrend. So I'm targeting like a 5 raised to the reward ratio in this market. So I have my stop loss above the high, the opening of this weekly bar right here, right? So based on swing trading strategy. So I'm going to be holding this trade for a long period of time all the way down. So it could last us maybe till December or even till January of next year, right? It all depends on the volatility or the momentum in the market, right? So if you want to take this trade, this is not a trade you take and you think you're going to make money within 4 hours or a day. It's a trade that could last you for like 3, 4 or 2 months. So this is how I trade. I look out for a nice setup that can last a long period of time. And what I'm going to be targeting right here is based on the measurement objective from the breakout point all the way to the peak of this head and shoulder, which is 14.14%, all the way down to 14.4%. So this way I'm going to be targeting on US oil. You can see that. So it's going to be a trade for weeks. This trade could last for a month, right? So that is the trade I have currently. That is the position I currently have in the market. I have a position on US oil. So those of you guys who are asking, do you send trading signal? Do you do that? I don't send trading signals, but I show traders whatever I'm doing in the market. So this is what I'm doing in the market right now. I have a short position on US oil. So I don't know if the market is going to go in my direction or if the market is going to prove me wrong. So if you want to take the short position on US oil, make sure you properly analyze your risk, right? Don't think because I told you I took a sell, then you should risk big, right? I'm not the god of the market. The market has the final say. So it's all about probability. So I already analyzed my risk right here, and then I've already made my plans. I'm going to hold this trade for like a weeks. So if you want to take this trade, make sure you are prepared to hold it for weeks, and then make sure you analyze your risk, right? So that is currently the position I have on the US oil, right? So which other asset again you guys want us to analyze? Which other asset? Let's go to the silver. Silver, I told you guys today, silver, we are currently having a double top. So if we can see a bearish close of price bar below this structure, then that will be a short entry. That will be a nice short entry on silver. If you can have a close of price bar below this key level structure right there. So that is what I'm currently looking out for. Anyways, I try to make a short of this bearish bar right there. I initiated a small position size, but the market hit my stop loss. So I'm going to be looking out to make another entry again. Once price, I made a sell limit right here, and I try to have my stop loss too tight because I don't know whatever the market's going to do. So the market hits my stop loss right here. So I'm going to be looking out for another short entry. If I can see price closing below this level once again, make a close down right again, then I'll be looking out for another short entry. They have my stop loss at this high right here. So this is what I'm still gonna do on silver. So I still have silver on my list, right? So the key idea right there is whenever I'm right, I tend to hold on for long based on my position. Whenever I'm right in the market, I hold on to my trade, and I tend to ride the trend very well to the last point. And whenever I'm wrong, I tend to get out quickly. So I don't hold on to my losing trade. I only hold on to my winning trade. So how often do you check your trade if you swing trade? If I swing trade, I check my chart every 4-hour interval to see if I can have opportunity to add to my position. I swing trade every 4-hour interval. So that is what I do. I check my chart every 4-hour interval. So every close of 4-hour bar, I check my chart. every close of 4-hour bar, I check my chart. So for right now, I should check my chart now by 10 p.m. So by 10 p.m. now, I need to start checking my chart for the close of the 4-hour, and then this will also be the close of the daily chart. So whenever I swing trade, daily, I check my chart every 4-hour, right? So it all depends on what the market has to offer, but sometimes if I'm not closer to my trading desk, I could check my chart maybe every interval of 8 hours or 4 hours, 6 hours. So that is what I do. But the closest time is 4 hours intervals, or only if I can see that the 4-hour bar is too long or too has moved too fast, then I can be looking out for a retracement on the 1-hour chart. So that is the only time I check the 1-hour chart. If the 4-hour chart is too long, just like the bar we add right here now. For example, right now, okay, let's check the 4-hour chart right here again. For example, based on this bar we add right here, this bar was too long. So right from the 1-hour chart, I waited for a pullback and I tried to make a short entry based on the 1-hour chart because the 4-hour bar right here was too long. So I didn't want to get in. Let me show you guys so that you guys can understand what I said. So I didn't want to sell right here. I didn't want to sell right here because this bar is too long for me. So what I did is, after the close of this 1 hour, so I waited for the 1-hour bar to give me a signal. So on the 1-hour chart right here, after price made a doji candlestick up, I looked out for an entry at this medium. Whereby I have my stop loss around the zone. So this bar right here has already closed my sell entry. So I'm still monitoring this asset to see what I'm gonna, maybe I can still see a sell entry on this currency or on this asset, I mean. So that is my view on silver. Please like this video, follow my profile. If you are yet to follow my profile, follow this profile, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the link on my bio and click on the Instagram tab to follow me on Instagram, as well subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do that right now. Click the visit my profile right now and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't yet done that, please do that right now. I will have to hold on for 2 minutes so that you can go right now on my Instagram and YouTube and go and follow me on Instagram and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna give a 2-minute break so that you guys can do that. Right? Please try to do that right now. So 2-minute break so that you guys can go right there and check it out. So we have just 2 minutes break. Okay, so our time stands counting right now. So let me put the time right there. So at the expiration of 2 minutes, then I will continue the live stream once again. So please try and go to my profile now and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Try to do that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then follow me on Instagram. Do that right now. So we have 2 minutes break. 2 minutes break. Right? So I'll just use this medium to go through your comment section. So just go to my YouTube right now and subscribe. Go to my profile now, click on the Instagram tab, follow me on Instagram, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that right now. Right? So go and do that right now. Go and follow me now on Instagram, because I have a lot of more free content on Instagram as well. I go live on Instagram and most of the time on YouTube. So go right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right? Can as well view this live stream right now on YouTube. I'm also live right now on YouTube. So go right now to my profile and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click right now on my YouTube channel. Click right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Just go to my profile bio. Close my profile bio and click on the Instagram tab. Once you click on the Instagram tab, click on the Instagram tab. Once you follow me on Instagram, come back to my profile, and then on my profile, click on the Instagram tab again and select YouTube below. Select YouTube and follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So someone said, what lot size is best for swing trading? There isn't any lot size best for swing trading. Your lot size depends on your trading capital. Your lot size depends on your trading capital and your trading experience, right? So there's not a specific answer for the best lot size for swing trading. Your lot size depends on your trading capital and your trading experience, right? So Asha Blue, your lot size depends on your capital That is your margin, your account balance, and your trading experience. I will still give more answers to that. Someone said Euro USD. Okay. Someone said what about gold? I already give analysis about gold. Okay, I will check gold once again. Someone said GEP New Zealand. Okay, I will check that. Someone say how often do you check your trade? No, I gave answer to that. Go check, click right now on my profile and follow me on my Instagram, follow my TikTok account, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that right now. Once you do that right now, I will continue the live stream. Okay, I will do that right now. So go to my profile right now, click on my Instagram profile, follow me on Instagram, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that right now. Do that right now. Make sure you do that right now. If you are watching this live stream, do that right now. Okay. So guys, thank you for doing that. Thank you for doing that. So now let's continue. So I need to know if we guys are back from the Instagram. If you are back from my Instagram page and my YouTube channel, please let me know so that I can continue the live stream. So comment if you guys are back. If you guys are back, comment, I am back, I am back, I am back, so that I can continue the live stream. Okay. Comment we are back, so that I can continue the live stream. Comment we are back, so that I can continue the live stream. Okay. Comment you are back, so that I can continue the live stream. Right. So okay, thank you, William. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for the follow-up on Instagram. Thank you guys for the follow-up. Thank you guys for the support. Right. So right now let's check. Okay, let me give answers to the person who asks what is the lot size for swing trading before I proceed to Euro USD and GBP New Zealand and gold. Right. So first, let me show you guys your lot size. When you talk about lot size, so lot size depends on your one, let's check one, your trading capital, and then two, your trading experience, and then three, the setup in play. Right. Yes, in play. Yes. And then your risk tolerance, right? So yeah, yes, no. So now let's talk about this. I'm just gonna get this off right here. So when you talk about your lot size, let me just make this to be blue, not to be danger, not to be red. Right now, good. So when you talk about the lot size, let's just try to rule this. When you talk about lot size depends on what your trading capital. So for example, if you have on your trading account, as a beginner, I always advise as a beginner, don't risk more than max of 1% on your trading account. Max of 1%. So for example, if you have like $100 in your trading account as a beginner, if you have $1,000 in your trading account as a beginner, then don't risk more than 1%. That would be, don't risk more than $10. So this may sound so funny. So if you're a beginner, you are still trying to gain experience. So I see no reason why you should risk high if you are a beginner in the market, because you are still trying to figure out things. So the second is your trading experience. So your trading experience can also determine how much you risk on your account. So based on your trading experience, maybe you have a particular strategy you have been using for a long period of time, and you so much believe in that strategy, and then you have been keeping record of that strategy, and you see out of 10 trades on that particular strategy, the strategy worked like 6 times. So you can decide to take like, okay, maybe you want to risk like, or maybe 2% on your account, or no. So you can decide maybe you want to risk 2%, or maybe you want to risk 3%. So that depends on your own personal decision, right? But based on as a beginner, I will advise you not to risk more than, as a beginner trader, just don't risk more than 0.5% if you're a beginner trader, because if you risk too high, you blow your account, because you're a beginner trader, still trying to figure out things, right? So the setup in play. So it also depends on the setup in play. For example, there are some setup that whenever I see them in the market, I know, wow, this is a setup, I so believe in it. So this also determines how much you risk. So if I were you, if I see a particular setup I so much believe in, just like the trade I told you I took on S&P 500, just like the trade I took on S&P 500. Let me show you guys the particular trade I took on S&P 500. Like the trade I took on S&P 500 right here. I told you guys how I took a short trade on S&P 500 right here. Like this trade I took right here now, I risked like a 3% right here because I actually know the strategy right here. I know the strategy. There were a lot of factors right here. So I risked so high right here because I know this setup and I know there were a lot of factors right here in this market. Because in this market right here, I can see a lot of technicalities: double top, a retest of structure, formation of another double top, breakout of another double top, a lot of confidence, momentum. Everything I needed in my strategy was right in this trade right here. So that was why I risked so high. And take note, there isn't any strategy which is infallible in the market, right? There isn't any strategy which is infallible in the market. So you have to be very careful whenever you are planning to take risk in the market, right? So let's get back to what we have right here. So based on what we have right here, okay, so based on what we have right here, your trading experience can also determine how much you want to risk. So based on my own trading experience, I can decide on a particular trade I want to risk like 3% right here because I actually know what I'm doing, right? And then whenever I'm risking like 3%, that could be the only trade I will have on that account. So you don't expect me to have 3% and then on another trade I have another 2,1,1, no. So, and then your setup also determines and your risk tolerance. So this comes down to the total amount you want to risk on that account. So for example, if I'm trading on the $100,000 trading account, and I know the max I want to risk on this account should not be more than a total of 5%. That means all my total trade should not be more than 5% on this account. So this is what I do. So as a beginner trader, you could stick to 1%. So this is how you determine how much you want to risk on your account. So there are a lot of factors that can help to determine how much you have to risk on your trading account. So there are a lot of factors, there are a lot of things you have to put into consideration. You don't just risk anyhow on your trading account, right? There are a lot of factors you have to put into consideration. So these are the few examples right here. Okay, so I hope this help you guys to have an idea of how much you risk on your account. So there's no precise amount you risk on your trading account. So it all boils down to your trading experience, the setup in play, your risk tolerance, the capital you have in your trading account, and those are the factors that determines the amount of money you decide to risk in your trading account. Okay, so I can't tell you to risk $10, I can't tell you to risk $100, I can't tell you to risk 1%, 5%. It all depends. You know what you want in the market and you know your risk level. So my risk level will actually be different from yours. Why yours will be different from mine, right? So any other question? Any other question? Any other question? So if you guys are watching the live stream, make sure you follow my profile. Follow my profile, it's very important. If you are watching this live stream and you are yet to follow my profile, then you are still missing a lot. If you are watching this live stream and you haven't yet joined my Telegram group, you are still missing. You are missing. So use this information right here, right now to join my Telegram group. Follow the information right here on this whiteboard to join my Telegram group. Follow this information right here. Learn to trade. Click on the link on my bio. Select on the Telegram setup Telegram. Use that now to join my Telegram group. This is where I share trading setup ideas. So if you are not yet in my Telegram group, then you are missing out. So this trade I took on US oil, I already sent everything out. I sent everything out in my Telegram group. All the trade ideas, I sent them out in the Telegram group. So if you're not in my Telegram group, you are missing out. You are missing out, all right? So next question. Okay, someone said let's go to the GBP paired against the New Zealand. So let me go. Okay, the GBP paired against the New Zealand and XAU paired against the USD was asked before the Euro. So let's go through the gold. I already gave analysis on gold this noon. That was around 12 p.m. and I stated gold is still at resistance structure. So for now, I'm still waiting for price to see what price has to offer. Maybe price is gonna break low. I still need price to break below this structure right there to give us a pullback before we can decide, or maybe gold is gonna continue in an upward rally. So currently what I can see on gold right now, I am not pulling the trigger. I'm just monitoring gold as a sniper. So I'm just monitoring gold as a sniper. But based on what I can see on gold right now, gold is still in a state of indecision. You can see today right now, price carved a doji candlestick. So it means gold went through up and downs today with no specific direction. So right now, gold is in a state of confusion. But what I can see based on the previous momentum in this uptrend, in this downtrend right here, based on the previous momentum all the way up, I still support a bullish sentiment on gold. My sentiment will only change not only if I can see a close of price all the way down below this key level structure we had right here. We can see a very strong bearish close and the retest, a rejection. That is when I will change my sentiment to the bearish phase on the price of gold. Not until that, I still support a bullish, I'm still bullish bias on gold. But anyways, I'm not doing anything on gold. I'm just monitoring to see what price has to offer on gold. And the GBP New Zealand, let's check that out. GBP New Zealand, I'm monitoring this asset. I'm already monitoring this asset and I want to see what price has to offer. So I'm monitoring this asset. Let's see what price has to offer. We have the price currently trading at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So if you construct your Fibonacci retracement tool right from the peak structure right here all the way down to the low structure right here, price is currently trading at the midpoint of the bearish swing we had from the swing high right here all the way down. So price is at the benchmark level. And then we have a minor key level structure we constructed from the previous series of highs right here. You can see this level is still acting as resistance structure for GBP New Zealand. Likewise, we have a support structure on the 4-hour chart. So we have a minor support structure on GBP New Zealand. We can see price at this support structure right here. We have price at the support structure. So that is the price of the 2.0750. So price is bouncing through this medium. So let's see if price can break through this rectangular pattern or rectangular for a downtrend. So that is what I can see on GBP paired against the New Zealand. So let's see how long price can move in this medium right here. Maybe we can have price breaking low. So if price can break low right here, then this suggests a more bearish rally. If price continue to break upward, then this suggests an uptrend on the GBP New Zealand. So currently right now, GBP New Zealand is in a ranging medium, and in a ranging medium, I think the best thing is just to stay out. But if you want to be trading a ranging medium, based on the ranging trading strategy, you should be looking out to long at the support and then looking out to short at the resistance. But anyways, I'm not trading this asset. I'll be interested to see price breaking the low structure and then looking out for a strong technical signal if you can go short. Alternatively, if price can break up, look for a validation before we can go up. So these are the two scenarios I'm looking out for on GBP paired against the New Zealand. So currently right now, I'm doing nothing. I just have this asset on my watch list. I'm trying to see if price could break up or maybe to the downside. So that's my view on the GBP paired against the New Zealand, right? So now let's check Euro paired against the USD. Euro paired against the USD. Let's go to the Euro chart. Based on the Euro chart, we have price from the weekly chart. Let's align this chart properly, fit it to screen. So we have Euro USD have been bouncing up and down. There's a lot of whipsaw going on right here. Whipsaw. A lot of traders' accounts have been cut out. A lot of traders have lost a lot of money on Euro USD. I already gave analysis on Nasdaq. If you missed the analysis on Nasdaq, Evan Waka, if you missed the analysis on Nasdaq, please navigate to my YouTube channel or you join my Telegram group, right? So if you want analysis on Nasdaq, please join my Telegram group, right? Evan Waka, join my Telegram group if you want analysis on Nasdaq. I already gave analysis on Nasdaq, right? Just click on the link on my bio. After this live stream, I will post a copy of the live stream on my YouTube channel so that you can watch the analysis I gave on Nasdaq, right? So what you need to do right now is just make sure you're a member in my Telegram group. Once I'm done with this live stream, I will post a copy for you to watch the backup of this live stream, right? But if I have enough time, I can still go through, right? So if you can still wait, right? After this analysis, if we still have enough time, I can just still go through them, right? So if I'm worker, if you can exercise patience, I promise you, I can still check on Nasdaq, right? Is that okay? So based on the Euro USD, let's check it out. A lot of traders' account have been wiped right there. A lot of traders' account have been wiped right there. You can see our price is going through choppy market, and this is where I always advise traders: stay away from choppy market. Stay away from choppy market. This type of market, we have your account blown up. You will blow up your account in this type of market. Stay away from choppy market. But traders don't want to listen. Stay away from choppy market. Trader will say no, no, no. You can see right there. The market will just keep on taking you up and down with no specific direction. When you buy low right here, the market will take you up and hit your stop loss. When you sell high, the market will go up and hit your stop loss. The market just keep on taking you up without no definite direction. So what we have right here is a ranging medium. So currently, I'm not trading Euro USD. What I want to see on Euro USD is I want to see price breaking out of this resistance structure and to validate as the uptrend has changed. Alternatively, price breaking down and to validate this a new resistance or for a downtrend. So this is what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. So I'm not doing anything in this ranging medium. So I'm just monitoring for a break to the upside or maybe a break to the downside. So for now, this is what you should be looking out for on Euro USD. If you have any position on Euro USD right now, then it means you don't actually know what you are doing in trading, right? Okay. I already joined your Telegram. Okay, Evan Waka, you are welcome to the Telegram. So after this live stream, anyway, I will just go through Nasdaq 100 once again, right? GU, I already gave analysis on GU. So let's just go through GU once again. Let's go to GU. Let's go to GU. So this is what I have on Euro USD, right? So let's try to analyze GU for Evan Waka, right? So Evan Waka, as well, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So based on GBP USD, it is the same analysis I gave on Euro USD. It's also applicable to GBP USD. So this market right here is in a ranging medium. So stay away from this type of market. If you trade this type of market, you have your fingers burnt. The market is in a choppy market. In fact, the trend on GBP USD is worse when compared to Euro USD, because you can see GBP USD is not even giving us a ranging market. It's just like a descending triangular formation. Let me show you guys. So from this up right here, you can connect it all the way down, and then you can write it right. You can see right there. So what we have on the GBP USD is a descending triangular formation. So let's see if price is gonna break down for a more downtrend, or maybe price is gonna break up for an uptrend rally. So currently right now, you need to be watching the GBP USD. There isn't any reason for you now to go short or go long on Euro USD. This is just a time for you to be monitoring this asset. And then if you really want to make money in trading, you have to learn to exercise patience, because patience is the medium by which money is being transferred from the impatient trader to the patient trader. So that is the medium which money is being transferred from the impatient ones to the patient ones in trading. So you have to learn how to do a lot of waiting and doing nothing in the market if you really want to become a profitable trader. You don't have to trade all the time. You don't have to trade every day, every week, every month to be profitable. If once you understand that point, you will be profitable. But once you think you have to trade every day to be profitable, you have to trade every hour, every minute, you always expose yourself to risk. And then I've been emphasizing on this multiple times, that you don't have to trade every day to be profitable. You don't have to trade every hour to be profitable. You don't have to trade every week to be profitable. There are some days just take a break from trading and just monitor what the price is going to do. There are some weeks just take a break from trading in a week and just monitor and study the market, right? So you don't have to trade every day. So currently right now, I'm doing nothing on GBP USD. I'm just waiting for the right time. And you have to learn how to wait like a sniper. A sniper will wait for the best and the perfect time to strike. If you can't do that, then you are not going to be it's going to be difficult for you to be profitable, because when you make money in trading and you don't know when to stop trading, the market will still get it over from you, because you will definitely result in over trading, right? So currently I am not doing anything in GBP USD. I'm just monitoring to see how price is going to react to the, maybe break down to the, maybe price is going to break down low for a more bearish trend, or maybe price is going to break out of this rise or falling channel for a bull uptrend. So this is what I'm looking out for on GBP USD. So currently right now I'm doing nothing on GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay, so let's go through Evan Wanka said let's analyze Nasdaq. All right, now for Evan Wanka, let's go through Nasdaq. So this is what I gave on Nasdaq. I already gave analysis on Nasdaq, and I stated, for those of you who want to trade Nasdaq, this is what you'll be looking out for on Nasdaq. For those of you who want to trade Nasdaq, so Nasdaq currently right now, we are looking for a retest of the broken key level support, which we had at the price of the 14,557. This was the support structure we had right here. We had the support right here. Let's get this off. I need to use a bigger bold pen right there. So let's just go through our pen structures right there. Okay, let's use this right there. Good. Now let me see if let's see where I can move this. Okay, can I move this forward? Okay, let's just use this right there. So we have a support structure. Okay, I'm going to change this color right there. Let's change this color to a better color, which is going to be very obvious. Okay, good. And then let's increase the opacity. I want it to be right. Okay, good. So based on what we have right here, no, let's start once again afresh. We had a support structure right here and a support right here. Once a support structure is broken, it turns into what? Once a support structure is broken, it turns into what? I need answers in the comment section. Once a support structure is broken down, it turns into a what? It turns into potential what? Once a support structure is broken down, it's turned into a new what? I want answers in the comment sections. I want answers in the comment sections. I need to make sure. Okay, good. Pedro's drill sell resistance. Okay, good. I want to know if you guys are following me in the analysis. I don't just want to do the talking alone. Once a support level is being broken down, it turns into new what? It turns into what? It turns into what? So we have a lot of answers in the live stream. Thank you guys. Okay, thank you Evan Wanka. Thank you Detonic. Thank you Akan Dave. Thank you Kim. Thank you Sino QED. Thank you Patrodrus. Thank you guys. We have a lot of intelligent traders and smart traders in the live stream. So I'm very happy about that. So this support structure was being broken, and then we were expecting it to act as a potential resistance structure, but it failed. It failed to act as a potential resistance structure. So currently right now, price is trading inside this structure. So what you need to do right now as a trader on the Nasdaq is try to put some of the tools you have in your arsenals, put them out and start applying them on the chart. One of the tools you can use right here is the Fibonacci retracement tool. So to use the Fibonacci retracement tool on this price chart right here on Nasdaq 100, for those of you guys who don't know how to use Fibonacci retracement tool, all you need to do is to start your Fibonacci tool from the last low high swing you have right here. You have a low high swing right here, and currently we have a potential lower low structure in this downtrend. So what we need to do right now is to apply a Fibonacci tool in this downtrend right from the last low high swing to the current lower low swing right here. And once you apply that, then you need to start looking out to see how price is going to react to which of this level. We need to start looking out to see how price will react to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, or maybe the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, or maybe the descending trend line. So these are the three key structures you need to start looking out for potential trade entries on Nasdaq 100. So these are the 3 points, 3 structures. These are the 3 structures you need to start looking out for trade opportunity, right? So once you look out for trade entry at this zone, then you need to start looking out for strong technical sell signal, strong technical bearish signal, right? And then you're trying to blend them with confidence factors. So, but based on what I can see right here now, based on what I can see, I'll be looking out to see a trade entry that will give me a nice confidence factor. So if I can see price trading up right from its initial move, right from this level. If price can rally all the way from this structure, maybe if we can have a pull of this trend line, I'll be looking out to see how price react to this level structure right here. So this is my view on Nasdaq 100. Since price failed to hold right here, let's see, because I am kind of so this market right here is suspicious. There is a kind of a strong bull momentum right here. You can see the day candlestick we have right here is a strong bullish candlestick. It's a strong bullish candlestick. So it shows that there is a lot of bull momentum in this downtrend. So if you want to chart right here, I think you need to have more confidence factors, more technical strong bearish factors supporting your trading decisions before you look down for a short entry on the Nasdaq. So I'm gonna share with you whatever I have on this asset. Whenever I can see any nice entry zone, I will share with you guys. But based on what I can see, there's a high possibility price is gonna be willing to retest this upper trend line right here, right? Based on the long, strong bullish momentum we have today on the day chart of the Nasdaq 100. So that is my view on Nasdaq 100. Let's hope price is gonna test the upper channel we have in this downtrend. Can see we have this upper channel and then upper trend line. You can see right from right structure right here, it has been rejecting price, so it is possible we have another test right here. All right, so let's hope that could be the next string structure. Right, good. So guys, this is what we have on the Nasdaq 100. Do you have any other questions in the live stream? Do you have any other question in the live stream? Okay, so if you are watching from YouTube, you guys can ask questions. If you are watching me from YouTube, you can ask questions. So why is gold not moving? I told you guys why gold wasn't moving. Gold is at a definite at a strong point of interest. So if you still don't know why gold is not moving, let's go back to the chart of gold. This is what we have on gold. Gold is not moving because gold is in a ranging band medium. Gold is in a state of indecision. Gold is currently confused. So gold is not moving because we have the public. The public are active right now on the price of gold. The market makers, I mean the institutional traders, the big guys, the hedge funds, the insurance, the banks are not interested in this type of market right here. The banks, the big guys, the guys with the big money, with the billionaire traders are not interested in a choppy market. So that is why you can see that gold is not moving. The public are the one pushing up and down this price on gold. So this is why gold is not moving, right? Once you see the institutional traders, the banks, the insurance, the big companies are interested, you will see there will be a change in volume right there. There will be a switch from low volume to high liquidity in the market. So currently right now, if you are trading gold, then it means you are among the cheap, we call them cheap goats in the market. We call them, so sorry to use that word, but that is what the publics are being referred to in the financial market. The public are referred to as goat, cheap. So the cheap and goat are meant to be slaughtered. You know, they are meant to be slaughtered in the market. And the lions, the elephant, the lion, the whales, they slaughter the sheep, the goats in the market. So if you don't want to be a goat cheap in the market, then you shouldn't be participating in this type of a choppy market without any specific direction or momentum, right? So any other question? Someone say if Nasdaq break the resistance, will it buy onto it? I already gave analysis on Nasdaq. So if you still don't understand the analysis on Nasdaq, maybe you have to go to my Telegram channel and click the link on my YouTube video to watch the analysis on Nasdaq again. I already told you guys that there are 3 key factors you have to be looking out for on Nasdaq. The 0.5% Fibonacci retracement 2 and the 61.8 level, as well the descending trend line on Nasdaq 100, right? So that is what I have, and I will give analysis about that. So guys, so we have a lot of questions today, and I can't just give answer to everyone today. Someone says US 30. I've given analysis about US 30. Someone said which instrument is moving currently. So I've given analysis about the market, and the reality is I can't just give answer to all questions, so that is why you guys need to join my Telegram group. Join my Telegram group, and then I want you, okay, so I have an important information to share with you guys. Please, the significance or the purpose of you joining my Telegram group is not to keep quiet. It is for you to share your ideas, share your opinions, and learn. So whenever you're in the Telegram group, always communicate, right? Share your opinions, share pictures of your chart, ask questions, share your suggestions, share your analysis. It's a community, okay? So I'm not depriving anyone from chatting or from talking or from sending chat. What I do not condone is try to contact other members with unsolicited services, okay? We don't try to connect or contact other peoples with other members with advertisement or sending a links in the group is not allowed. But you can send your chart, your analysis. You can ask questions about trading. You can make suggestions. You can make opinions. You can ask questions, right? So always make sure you guys participate in the Telegram group, right? So you can use this information right here to get a Telegram group. So it's a community whereby you can relate with other traders as well. You can also have direct access to me. Right there, you can ask me questions directly. I'm always right here. You can ask me questions directly in the Telegram group, and I'll be happy to give answers to your questions. You can as well share your chart, right? So which other question do we have? So guys, now follow my profile, subscribe to my YouTube channel. On my bio, you see my YouTube channel on my bio. Subscribe or follow me on Instagram. You will see my Instagram or ID on my bio on my TikTok account. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my profile on TikTok, comment, like my videos. Don't like more than 2 videos, right? Don't like more than 2 videos, right? And soon, once we reach 10K, I will start doing a weekend giveaway, right? Once we reach 10K followers, I promise I'll start doing giveaway for traders who attend my webinars, right? I'll start doing giveaways once we reach 10K followers. So we need to make things we also need to learn and earn, right? So I will start funding traders account. For traders who do not have sufficient amount in their trading account, I will start funding traders. So once we reach 10K, that is my next project. So for those of you who are still struggling, who do not have enough capital, I will start funding your account. So if you want to participate, what you need to do is to register through my recommended brokerage firm, because that is the only way I can fund your account, right? Once you register through my recommended brokerage firm, so I'll be able to fund your account. So I will just ask some series of questions, and once you get the answer in the live stream, then I'll fund your account. It could be $50, $100, $100, $20. No, I'll just fund your trading account, right? So I'm gonna be holding this this giveaway weekend once we reach 10K. So I'm going to be funding your account. So to participate, all you need to do is to open a live trading account through my recommended brokerage firm. I have the link in my bio. So once you click on the link on my bio, on the newly open page, you will see step 1, open a live trading account. So let me show you guys. So because once we reach 10K like this, I need to start appreciating you guys who have been following me, because you guys are so wonderful. You guys have been following me. So once we hit the 10K followers target, then I know we can do this within a week. So if you guys want us to do this within a week, just try to share my profile and subscribe. Encourage your friends who are traders to join. So once you click on the open trading account, once you click right here, you will be directed to a new page. So on this new page, you have to read about the brokerage firm I'm recommending. So you can open an account through any of these brokerage firm. Once you open an account right here, then once you answer a question and then you are right to get the answer correct, then I'm going to fund your live trading account for you, right? So I'm going to do this. So I need to start giving to the community. So I need to make segregate or pull some part of my profit I make in the market, and then use this to help you traders. So I really want to help you guys who are struggling to make money, right? So I'm going to help you guys. So try to fund your trading account, right? Good. So this is how we are going to be doing once we hit that target. So it's going to be maybe weekends, no, we're going to make this weekend. And then you guys can as well make suggestions, any of these weekend time you think is going to be good. Maybe it's going to be, I think it's going to be good maybe on Saturday or Sunday, because on Friday, I don't joke with my weekends on Friday. I always go on vacation on Friday. I like my weekend I like my weekend vacation on Friday. So I think Saturday evening and Sunday evening is gonna be nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask a question. I can ask a question or post any question on my website, and I tell you guys to find the questions out on my website. So once you just get it, I just found your account. It could be through the forex broker firm. It could be through the Binance or trading platform, or no, I'm gonna update you guys, right? So guys, it has been a lot of fun. Thank you guys for following me, and then thank you guys for joining the Telegram group. Thank you. If you are yet not in the Telegram group, then you are still missing out. You are missing out. All right. Make sure you join the Telegram group. Make sure you join, right? I'm always right here in the Telegram group. So any other question? Any other question? Any other question? I need to put this down. Any other question? 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 Do we have any other question? Okay, someone said let's check US 30. Let's check US 30. Okay. Someone X said let's check US 30. Okay. Dow Jones Industrial Average. I took a trade on Dow Jones Industrial Average. I don't know if I shared this with you guys. I shared this with you guys. I took a trade on Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's check it out. US 30. So sorry. Someone asked about Asha Blue. Are you still in the live stream? Asha Blue, are you still in the live stream? If you're in the live streams, please signify. Asha Blue, I've been asking about US 30. I've been skipping that. So Asha 30, are you in the live stream? Are you in the live stream? Asha 30, I want you to signify if you're in the live stream, because you requested me to analyze US 30. Please signify. Signify. Someone said, can you analyze if it will go up, further, or down? Sarah, you have to be specific with your question. Which asset are you referring to? Which asset are you referring to? Okay? Which asset are you referring to? Right? Asha Blue, you make a request about US 30. If you are still in the live stream, Asha Blue, please signify. I want to give analysis to your request. Okay, Sarah XAUSD said, is gold USD still in an uptrend or in a downtrend? Well, Asha Blue, based on what I have on the gold is still in a state of indecision. So we can't yet say maybe it's breaking up or it's breaking down. Not until we can see the definitely breakout of price. So for now, we can't yet make a decision maybe it's going to break up or break down. So our obligation right now is to just keep on monitoring as a sniper. So we are monitoring as a sniper. We can't say yet now maybe it's going up or maybe it's going down. Okay. Yasmin Gill said gold, long or short? The answer I gave to Sarah's question is applicable to your question. For now, no one knows maybe it's going to be up or down, not until price can break out of this ranging medium or choppy medium. So right now, gold is in a state of indecision. Check the day chart. You're going to see on the day chart carved a doji candlestick. So, but based on what I can see, I see support a bearish sentiment or a bullish sentiment on gold. Based on what I can see on gold, I see support a bullish sentiment. But what I can see right now is in a indecision. But I still support a bullish sentiment on gold, right? So for those of you who are still looking up for what is going to happen on gold, I still support a bullish sentiment. But technically right now, I am not yet interested to short or do anything on gold. So someone said, okay, I wait tomorrow to see what will. Yes, it's better you wait tomorrow to see what will happen. Wait tomorrow to see what will happen, because right now price is currently in a choppy medium. Because what we have right here now is a choppy medium. So I don't like to trade within the choppy medium. So let's see if price will break down or maybe it's going to break up, right? So that is what we have right now. So which other question was said? Someone said UJ. Okay, Rich Kid said USD yen. Okay, let's go to the USD yen, USD yen, USD yen. Let's go to the USD yen. USD yen, I gave analysis already. I said USD yen is in an uptrend and the price is currently at a resistance structure. So at a resistance structure on USD yen, you should be looking out for a short entry because price is at a major key level structure. Based on the monthly chart, you can see based on the monthly chart on USD yen, price is at a resistance structure. You can see that. So rich kid, if you are looking for a short entry on USD yen, it is nice, but if you are looking for a long entry, it is risky. If you are looking for a long entry on USD yen, it is risky, but if you are looking for a short entry on USD yen based on the weekly chart, it is technically advisable, but you have to see a strong short signal. You can see what we have right now. So before you can take a reversal against the trend, then you have to blend it up with chart patterns of reversals. This could be maybe something like a head and shoulder chart pattern, maybe a rising channel, or maybe a double top pattern before you can look for a chart. Because at resistance structure, you should be looking out for potential short entry from the upside to the downside, right? But technically, before I'm going to be looking out for a short entry on USD yen, I have to wait to see what this weekly candlestick will form. So I'll be making my decision after this week. At the end of this week, if I can see a bearish weekly bar, then that is when I will make decision on USD yen, maybe to short or to stay outside of the market, right? So any other question? Sarah, it was nothing. You are welcome. It was nothing, right? So Sarah, have you followed my profile? Follow my profile, subscribe to my profile, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sarah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you join my Telegram group, right? Join my Telegram group right here. You can get access to me and ask me questions, right? So someone said it's like GBP Euro is reversing. I already told you guys yesterday I don't analyze Euro GBP and Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand because GBP and Euro almost have the same correlations. Likewise, Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand have the same almost correlation. So I don't trade those currency pairs. Trading those currency pairs, you are exposing yourself to a lot of risk. So I don't trade this. I don't trade those assets, right? Good. So GBP Euro, I don't trade them. So which other asset? What about USD CAD? Still don't understand it. Okay, let's check USD Canada. Let's check USD Canada. USD Canada. Let's check it out. USD Canada, based on what I can see, USD Canada, based on what I can see, price is at a resistance structure, and I told you guys already, price is at a resistance structure. So at this structure right here, if fell lower Mayowa, you should be looking out for a potential short entry. Don't long eye. The reason why I don't trade GBP Euro is so simple. GBP and Euro have almost the same correlation. I don't know if you know about currency correlation. Most of you guys, you need to understand currency correlations. There is a lot of positive correlation between Euro and GBP. They tend to move at the same direction. When GBP is moving up, Euro tends to follow. So when you try to blend these two currencies together, you result in a choppy and a zigzag and a whipsaw market. You result in a whipsaw market. Let me show you the chart right here. So I don't trade this type of assets because when you trade Euro GBP, you are actually putting yourself in a very risky trade, trading is all about probability. So you shouldn't look for markets that will divide your probability or make things more difficult for you. So how do you want to trade this type of market that keeps on moving in a zigzag manner? The only strategy you can apply right here is a ranging band medium. And there's a lot of manipulations right here. It is easily manipulated. There's a lot of volatility whipsaw right here. It tends not to obey technicalities. It tends not to obey key level structure, demand and supply zones. It tends not to obey price actions. It moves off and bounces up, down and bounces up. So this is why I don't trade them. Imagine trading instead of asset right there, move up, move down. So I only look out for trendy markets. So GBP, Euro, to me, I don't like them. And then Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand as well. I don't like this asset because they have the same market correlation. They are not trending. They are always going up and down, whipsaw. They don't obey market volatility. They tend to go up, cut your stop loss, cut your no. They just move anyhow with no specific direction. So that is why I don't trade them. Right? Okay, guys, let's just check barchart.com. Let me introduce you guys to the website, which is called charts.com, so that you guys can as well know how you can use some tools to make a technical analysis in trading. So let's go through chart.com so that you guys can see currency correlation. So right here is a website called chart. No, for terms and conditions on TikTok, I'm not going to be able to make mention of this link again, because if I keep on repeating this, TikTok can bring this live stream down. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to type this website or link on my screen. So just view my screen right now. So this is the website right there. Let me just put the link right there so that you guys can see it. So I'm going to copy the link right now. So I will copy it right now on my chart. So you guys can go right there and check correlations of currency pairs. This will really help you to know the strongest currency in the market and the weakest currency in the market. So this is the website right here. So you can see that on the chart. So you can just visit that link. So you can bookmark that link, right? As well, I will check that link in my Telegram group. So if you're in my Telegram group right now, you can check the link right now in my Telegram group, right? I already sent the Telegram link the link in my Telegram link, right? So once you get to this website right here, what you want to do is you want to look out for the currencies section. So you have a lot of assets right there. You have stocks, options, ETF, futures, currencies, and other assets. So you select currencies right here. Once you select currency right here, you have a lot of tools right here. You can use the commitment of traders. This is where you know the about market sentiment. You can go to currency groupings. You can go to crypto groupings. You can go to trading signals, forex market pulse or correct market pulse. A lot of things, crypto market, forex market. So what you want to do right here now is you want to go to the forex market overview. So once you go to the forex market right here, and then you open it right here, you see a lot of currency or pairs right here. So it's been a long time I've used this asset right here, but I know we have. Okay, let's go to the forex market map. Okay, right here you can see right now. So this is the information I want to share with you right here. So this is the forex market map right here. So this is where you see the strongest and the weakest currency in the market. You can see that you see the strongest and the weakest currency in the market. So right now you can see we have AUD right now is the strongest currency right there, and we have New Zealand as well is the strongest currency. So AUD and New Zealand have the same market correlation. So if you try to trade AUD against New Zealand, you are trading against yourself, because AUD is strong, Australian dollar is strong, and New Zealand is strong. So you are trying to trade the same strongest currency together. It's going to be very difficult for you to have a definite direction, because these currency pairs have the same correlation. Likewise, let's check GBP pairs against the euro. You can see right here we have GBP as one of the weakest currency right here. Likewise, we have euro as one of the weakest currency. It means GBP and euro have the same currency correlation. So when you tend to trade this currency pair with the same correlation, you are definitely putting yourself in a lot of difficult markets. You are making things to be more difficult for you. Since trading is a difficult game, you shouldn't make things to be difficult for yourself again. Right? I don't know if you guys understand the information I'm trying to pass right here. Right? So this is where you can check. I will put this link on my website, and then I have this link on the Telegram group, so you guys can go right here and check it out. And then I will try to create a video on how you can use these tools as well. So Australian dollar paired against the New Zealand, no go area, don't do that. And then Euro GBP, no area, don't go to that side. Right? So that is what I want to share with you guys. I hope you guys find this useful. So which other question again? Which other question? What about USD cards? Which other question? So guys, we have to go right now. We've done a lot tonight, and our time has gone. We've done a lot tonight. Yeah, you are welcome, Rich Kid. You are welcome. So once we hit 10K followers, we need to start doing giveaway. I need to start giving back to the society. It's a vow I made. If I can become a profitable trader, then I need to start giving part of my profits to help traders as well, right? So thank you guys. Remember to. So okay, someone said let's go back to the section. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'll send the direct link to you guys on my Telegram group. So just get the direct link on my Telegram group. The link is pasted on my Telegram link on my Telegram group. So go right now to my Telegram group. Once you visit my Telegram group, you will see direct link. So just click on the link. You get access to the direct page. So anytime you want to trade, come right here and check the weakest and the strongest currency as well. I have this on my website. So for those of you guys who have not been visiting my website, I have this section as well on my website, right? So I have this on my website. You guys can as well check it out on my website. So I will share the link to you guys so that you guys can access the. Yes, we have to put an end to poverty. Yes, we have to put an end to poverty. So that was my vow. If I can be successful and be profitable in trading, then I have to use part of my profit to help others as well. We have to help others by rising, or help others by lifting one another up. No, we have to rise by lifting one another up. So that is the goal. So start doing giveaway, help traders, right? And then I want you guys to share my profile, encourage more traders to join, and let's build the community together, right? Thank you guys. So that will be tomorrow, Thursday. We're gonna be live right here again, 9 p.m. tomorrow. Please make sure you are right here on time. Don't be late to the live stream. And then guys, I'm gonna be showing you my live trading account on quoted trading platform. I traded an account from $50,000 to almost $55,000 plus. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I was able to make like a 2,000 plus within 10 minutes. How I was able to make $2,000 plus within 10 minutes, and then I was able to make $5,000 profit within few days. So I will share with you guys. I have the video already, so I'm gonna post the video on YouTube tomorrow, right? Thank you guys. So see you tomorrow. Make sure you don't miss the live stream tomorrow, 12 p.m. I'm gonna go live on YouTube, and then we're gonna be live here again on YouTube, 12 p.m. I'm gonna be live here again on TikTok, 9 p.m. in the evening. Thank you. So good night. Wish you all safe night sleep, safe night rest. Thank you.